Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BigCommerce catalog pricing with promotions, full guide step by step clearly. To update your BigCommerce catalog pricing with promotions, begin by logging into your BigCommerce control panel. Navigate to the marketing section in the left sidebar. Select promotions from the drop-down menu. In the promotions dashboard, click on the Create a Promotion button. Choose the type of promotion you want to create, such as discount or free shipping. Fill in the promotion details, including the promotion name. Set the promotion start and end dates. Determine the discount type, such as a percentage or a fixed amount. Specify the products or categories this promotion will apply to. You can also set restrictions for the promotion, such as a minimum order amount. Once you have configured the necessary settings, review the summary for accuracy. Click on Save to apply the promotion. Next, go back to the Products section in the left sidebar. Locate the specific product you want to update the pricing for. Click on the product to edit its details. In the Pricing section, you will see the standard price and the sale price options. Adjust the sale price according to the promotional discount applied. Ensure that the Compare at price reflects the original price if applicable. Save the changes to the product listing. After updating the pricing for the affected products, test the promotion by visiting your storefront. Add the promotional item to your cart and check the total to confirm the discount has been applied. Monitor the performance of your promotions through the Analytics section within BigCommerce. Make any necessary adjustments based on sales data and customer feedback. Repeat these steps for any additional promotions or products as needed. Ensure to promote your new pricing and special promotions through marketing channels. Keep track of promotion expiration dates to avoid confusion with customers. Regularly review and update your promotional strategies to align with market trends. With these steps, you can effectively manage your BigCommerce catalog pricing through promotions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.